In this video, you'll learn how to install and use Grammarly to enhance your writing directly in Google Docs. To get started, open a new browser tab and access the Chrome Web Store from the Google Apps menu. Next, search for Grammarly in the store to find the extension. Once you locate the Grammarly extension, click Add to Chrome to install it. Then pin Grammarly to your browser toolbar for quick access. Now, sign in using your Google account and skip any extra onboarding steps or promotional options you don't need. Download any additional recommended Grammarly apps if prompted, then return to your Google Docs document. With Grammarly enabled in Google Docs, review the suggestions in the sidebar. Accept suggestions like spelling corrections by clicking the green Accept button to quickly improve your writing. Now, you've seen how Grammarly can help you write better in Google Docs.